Hello student, our chapter is Challenge to and Restoration of the Congress System and today's topic is Spirit in the Congress. That time we saw that after the 1967 election the Congress retained power at the center but with a reduced majority and lost power in many states. More importantly, the result proved that Congress could be defeated at the election, but there was no substitute as yet. Most non-Congress coalition governments in the state did not survive for long. They lost majority, and other new combinations were formed or president's rule had to be imposed. Next is Indira versus Syndicate. That time, the real challenge to Indira Gandhi came not from the opposition but from within her own party. She had to deal with the syndicate, a group of powerful and influential leaders from within the Congress. That time, syndicate was the informal name given to a group of Congress leaders like K. Kamaraj, S.K. Patil, N. Sanjeeva Reddy, Atulya Ghosh, who were in control of party and organization, and that is within Congress. Okay, these leaders expected Indira Gandhi to follow their advice. Indira Gandhi, that time, thus faced two challenges. She needed to work towards regaining the ground that the Congress had lost in the 1967 election. She adopted a very low strategy as the converted it into ideological struggle, launched a series of initiatives and got the Congress Working Committee to adopt a 10-point program. Okay. 10-point program in 1967, including social control of banks, nationalism of general insurance, ceiling on urban property and income, public distribution of food, grains, land reforms, etc. And another topic is presidential election 1969. That time the formal split in Congress syndicate and Indira Gandhi came into open in 1969 nomination of candidate for the president post. Following President Zakir Hussain's death, the post of president of India fell vacant that year. Okay, they syndicated nominated N. Sanjeeva Reddy as the official Congress candidate for the ensuing presidential election, and Indira Gandhi encouraged V.V. Giri to file his nomination as an independent candidate. She also announced several big and popular policy measures like the nationalisation of 14 leading private banks and the abolition of the privy purses of the special privilege given to former princes. Okay, that in the defeat of the official Congress candidate and formally the split the Congress into two separate parties, that is Congress O, an organization led by syndicate known as an old Congress, okay, and Congress R. Reconstruction led by Indira Gandhi known as a new Congress.